Welcome to this video showcasing the power of positive parenting through the comparison of one tank versus 10 cars. We often think of parenting as being like 10 cars trying to navigate through life's challenges and obstacles, with each car representing a different aspect of a child's life, education, social relationships, self-esteem, and more. But what if we approach parenting with the strength and power of a tank instead? This is what positive parenting is all about. Positive parenting is about providing a supportive and encouraging environment for our children. It's about building a strong foundation for their future, so that they can navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. Just like a tank protects and supports the cars, positive parenting provides our children with the love and guidance they need to succeed. It helps them to develop strong self-esteem, positive relationships, and the skills they need to succeed in life. Positive parenting also involves setting boundaries and teaching children right from wrong, but it does so in a gentle and understanding way. This approach helps children to feel loved and valued, and it builds trust and respect between parents and children. Thank you for watching this video showcasing the power of positive parenting through the comparison of one tank versus 10 cars. Remember, your approach to parenting can make all the difference in your child's life. So be a tank, not just a car, and support your child's growth and success.